Imagine waking up tomorrow in America, opening Instagram, and having an AI agent that already booked your flight, negotiated a better deal on your phone bill, and even planned your entire weekend, all while you slept. That future just got a lot closer today, thanks to one massive move by Mark Zuckerberg and Meta. Stick with me for the next few minutes. I promise by the end, you'll not only know exactly what happened, but how it can change your daily life, and more importantly, how you can start making real money from this exact technology right now in the United States. No fluff, just clear facts and actionable steps. Let's dive in. Welcome to AI Insider Feed, your daily source for the latest AI breakthroughs, tools, and updates, delivered straight to you. It's December 30th, 2025, and today's biggest story comes straight from California, home of American tech giants. Mark Zuckerberg and Meta just acquired Manus AI, a cutting-edge startup building fully autonomous AI agents, in a deal reportedly worth billions of dollars. This isn't just another acquisition. It's a clear signal that 2026 will be the year AI agents go mainstream for millions of Americans. Let's break down what happened, why it matters to you, and exactly how to turn this into an advantage. Manus AI, originally from Singapore but with deep talent ties, has been quietly building one of the most advanced general-purpose AI agents available. These aren't simple chatbots. They can understand complex goals, break them into steps, use tools, browse the web, and execute tasks with minimal human input. In benchmarks, Manus agents have outperformed even top models from OpenAI and Google in real-world scenarios like research, shopping, and workflow automation. Meta's move gives Zuckerberg direct access to this technology, accelerating plans to embed powerful agents into Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Meta's enterprise tools. This fits perfectly with Zuckerberg's 2025 vision, turning Meta from a social media company into an AI powerhouse, competing head-on with American rivals like OpenAI and Google. For everyday Americans, this means smarter, more helpful features coming soon to apps you already use. Think an Instagram agent that finds the best deals, negotiates returns, or even manages your small business's customer messages 24/7. Or a Facebook agent that plans family events, books venues, and handles RSVPs automatically. It's convenience on a whole new level, saving hours every week for millions across the country. But here's what excites me most. This creates massive money-making opportunities right now, especially in the U.S. job market. 1. Freelance AI agent building. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are exploding with demand for custom agents. American freelancers are charging $3,000 to $15,000 to build simple agents for small businesses, e.g., real estate scheduling, e-commerce automation. Start free with open-source tools like Crew AI or AutoGen, both 100% free. 2. AI-powered side hustles. Use free Meta Llama models to create niche agents, e.g., Amazon Price Tracker Agent or Job Application Automator, and sell access on Gumroad or Patreon for $10 to $50 per month per user. 3. Content Creation Boost. American creators are using agents to research, write scripts, and edit 10x faster, meaning more videos, more views, more income. Personal advantage. Download Llama 3.1, free from Meta, today and start experimenting. Even basic agent skills put you ahead of 99% of the workforce in 2026. Meanwhile, another American AI giant is making waves. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI in San Francisco, just posted a high-priority job, head of preparedness, offering up to $555,000 salary. This role will focus on real risks, mental health impacts, cyber threats, and safeguarding advanced models as they approach superintelligence levels. This comes as OpenAI pushes aggressive timelines for more capable systems in 2026. Impact shows even top American leaders are taking safety seriously as power grows. Money angle. AI safety and ethics consulting is booming. U.S. companies now pay $200 to $500 per hour for auditors. Free courses on Coursera, like AI Safety from Stanford, can get you started in weeks. Advantage. Understanding risks makes you more valuable in any tech-adjacent American job. 2025 created dozens of new American AI billionaires, founders of startups like Scale AI, Alexander Wang, and Harvey saw fortunes soar past $1 billion each from massive funding rounds. And the infrastructure race continues. The Stargate project, backed by OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank, plans up to $500 billion in new U.S. data centers, creating tens of thousands of high-paying jobs in states like Texas, Virginia, and Arizona. Impact strengthens America's global AI lead and boosts local economies. Money opportunities, data center tech roles, cooling, networking, pay $100,000 plus with just certifications. Or invest in related public stocks, e.g., NVIDIA, Supermicro. Advantage: if you're in or near growing AI hubs, California, Texas, Washington, position yourself now. Networking events and local meetups are exploding. That's your December 30th update. Major moves by American tech leaders like Zuckerberg and Altman that are shaping the future fast. Tomorrow, we'll be back with fresh news and more ways to stay ahead. If you want to actually profit from AI in 2026, not just watch it happen, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't miss a single opportunity. Thanks for watching AI Insider Feed. See you tomorrow.